Okay, this lesson we're going to calculate the slope between 2 points, and we're going to do it using 2 different methods. Slope, okay, is the formula m equals, and it can be rise divided by run. Okay, it also can equal the formula y2 minus y1, or difference in y, divided by x2 minus x1, which would be your difference in x. Now, the first method to find the slope between them would be to simply plot your points. Okay, so I'd have point A, which is there, and I'd have point B, and I connect them, and I'm going to calculate my rise and my run. Okay, where I count how much over did it move. Well, it went from 3 to 5, so it went over 2, and it went up 4. Okay, so my slope is going to equal rise divided by run, which can be reduced down to 2. Okay, figure out how much it went over by and how much it went up by plotting my points. The second method is to use the formula. So I have y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Take your coordinates. x1, y1, x2, y2. Label your coordinates. And then you can put them into your formula. So y2 is 9. Subtract y1, which is 5. Divided by x2 is 5. Subtract x1 is 3. Okay, so I put one coordinate as x1, y1, the other coordinate as x2, y2, and I put those points into the formula. Now I can subtract. 9 subtract 5 is 4. 5 subtract 3 is 2. I got my 4 over 2 again, which can be reduced down to 2. So either way I get the same answer. I can either plot the points, calculate rise and run, and put rise over run, or I can use the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 and sub my points in. Let's do another example. Find the slope between these 2 points. Now for this one, I'm just going to use the formula m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. My points, I'm going to label the first one as being x1, y1. And the second one is going to be x2, y2. So putting in my points, y2 is negative 2. Subtract y1, which is 1. All over, x2 is 0. Subtract, and here my x1 is negative 3. So I'm going to go subtract negative 3. Negative 2 subtract negative 1 is negative 3. 0 subtract negative 3. Subtracting a negative is like adding. 2 negatives make a positive. So I have 0 plus 3, which is just 3. So I have negative 3 over 3, which can be reduced down to negative 1. And there is my slope. Okay? So label your points, x1, y1, x2, y2, and then put the points into the formula to figure out your slope. Okay? Thank you very much.